My name is James Knox. I'm the principal here at the Chelsea Heights School. I would definitely go out on a limb to say that Jabari is one of the most awesome speakers that engages children. He creates a safe place wherever he goes. I can just imagine that because I felt the room transform with him in there and the things that he was saying and relaying. If you're trying to, if some people say, well, I don't know who's talking to my child. I promise you, okay? And one of the things as a principal that I am, there's a Latin term called loco parentes. That means I stand in your stead as a parent when you are not here. And I guarantee you, I treat your children just like you would treat them and love them like you love them. And if I tell you that this speaker, this particular event will definitely be a transforming exercise in the life of your children, okay? It just will. And you can trust me on that. I believe that he has a gift, okay, of engagement. And not only that, when it's over, you continue to feel the residue of everything that he said.